Welcome all of you. Today we will discuss about human settlement. This is your chapter in class 12 geography, second book, human settlement. In this chapter we will discuss about the types of human settlement, nature of human settlement, and what is the need of human settlement, and which type of human settlement we can see in the society, rural or urban. So let's start the human settlement. Your topic is human settlement. मानव बस्तियां, मानव बस्तियां। भारत में मानव बस्तियों के प्रकार, which type of human settlement we will found in the society in India, the types of settlement, the rural settlement and the urban settlement. The two main types we can see in the society of the human settlement. First of all, we talk about the rural settlement. Rural settlement, you can see the many types of rural settlement. First of all, the rural settlement, what are the factors which is effect directly of the rural settlement? So first of all we discuss about the natural effects, प्राकृतिक कारक जिन्हें हम बोलते हैं उनकी हम चर्चा करेंगे. First, the physical factors. What are the physical factors which is directly effect to the rural settlement? We are talking here the rural settlement. First, the physical factors. First physical factor, the nature of land, भूमि का भूभाग, or we can say that the nature of lands, the type of lands, it is the directly effect of the settlement. Human nature is the simple nature. He want to set a peaceful land, natural disaster free land, and which land is very fertile soil. So this is the nature of land. Second is the height. Height means the level of land which is the sea level. What type of heights? The land. This is the second factor of physical factors. भौतिक भागों की बात यहाँ पे हो रही है. भौतिक भागों में भूमि का स्वभाव, भूमि किस प्रकार की है. दूसरा ऊंचाई, भूमि की ऊंचाई समुद्र तल से कितनी ऊंचाई पर स्थित है. बिकॉज height is the main factor of the sea level which is depend on the climate conditions. Now the third point is the climate. What type of climate of area which is very important for settlement of human lives. The fourth is availability of water. जल की उपलब्धता. Water availability is the main condition of settlements. Human, where the settle, it is the first need of water. So water is the basic need of human. Now we discuss about the second part of rural settlement in the natural effects, cultural and human factor. सांस्कृतिक और मानवीय कारक कौन से हो सकते हैं, इनकी हम बात करें तो इसमें तीन महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट हैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज द सोशल स्ट्रक्चर. सामाजिक संरचना किस प्रकार की है. मानव वहां सेटल होना चाहता है, वहां अपना आवास बनाना चाहता है जहां पर लोग संगठित रूप से रहें, शांतिपूर्वक रहें, प्रेम से रहें. सो द सोशल स्ट्रक्चर वेयर the basic need are fulfilled very easily. So the human settle in which type of society. Second is the caste. This is the natural factor of the caste. Mostly of human settle is the caste wise. The human nature is the common nature. Human want to settle there where the mostly their caste are settled there. Third is the religion, धर्म. धर्म के आधार पर भी हम देखते हैं, वी कैन सी बाय द रिलीजन ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट इज द कॉमन सेटलमेंट इन द सोसाइटी. सेफ्टी फैक्टर्स, सेफ्टी सुरक्षा संबंधी कारक, इन द सेफ्टी is the very necessary factor for the human settlements. It is the human need and the everybody want to safety in the society. So these are the some factors of the rural settlement. These are the natural effects. Remember that these are the natural effects. So today we discuss about the human settlement, the rural settlement, natural effects. Thank you. Have a nice day.